What's this case about?
It's about some rando that likes to have their sleeves wet.
Ew.
My client is not guilty, and it is not weird or against the law to have your sleeves wet.
So what are you on parole for?
Enjoying getting my sleeves wet.
Ugh.
Hi, I'm the judge, and all I really do all day is to listen to people's cases and decide whether they're good or they're bad. So annually, I make $178,000. The skills you need is active listening, critical thinking, and problem solving. And for your education, you need the PhD or your master's.
Hi, I'm the lawyer. I defend my client's rights in a civil court of justice. In order to be a lawyer, you have to have a master's degree, but some excel to get a PhD. The average annual wage for a lawyer is roughly $120,000 a year. One of the most important aspects of being a lawyer is being able to have reading comprehension, being a great listener, being a great speaker, and being able to understand everyone's point of view.
I'm a judicial law clerk. My job consists of doing research for the judge, giving him papers and stuff so that he can look back in the past and see previous court rulings. I don't know how any of that's going to come into play in this case. Some skills you really need to have is just to be able to think really comprehensively, listen, because you have to be able to think for the judge, because sometimes he won't do the work himself. To do this job, you can get a professional degree at a 2-year institution, but it's recommended that you pursue a doctorate. For doing all the work for the judge, I make $53,000 a year, and the job growth for it is about 5 to 9%.
Hi, I'm the probation officer. My job is to check up on our criminal to make sure they're staying on track with their probation contracts and their rehab plans. You need to have knowledge of public safety, law, and psychology. I make $53,020 annually, which in my opinion is too low given the circumstances I have to put up against these parolees. It's recommended to have a 4 years bachelor degree, but in some cases it's not required. You need to know how to think critically, have social perceptiveness, and listen actively. Speaking of active listening, the court reporter does plenty of that.
That's right, probation officer. I do have good active listening skills. I also need good comprehension skills and good writing skills.
I'm the court reporter. I document everything that's said, everything that's done, and all the evidence that is given during the case in the court.
I make $57,000 annually because not everything can be picked up by Siri. Right, Siri?
I am right, and you are right, and all is right as right can be.
Education you need to have when becoming a court reporter is a associate's degree and on-the-job experience.